So students, I was telling about the changing place of the shadow of the sun on the earth. Okay, the position of the shadow also get changed. Whose position of shadow? That is sun's shadow also does not fall on the same place for the whole year. Okay, means if on the 12 o'clock also, at the 12 o'clock also, the 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 place or shadow of ours also gets changed. Okay, it is sometimes it is towards the south, it sometimes it is towards the north. Okay, why does it happen? Only it is because of the tilting of the earth. So one experiment is given here, that you are told to fix one stick of 1.5 to 1.7 meters long, okay, on the ground, and you are told that that stick should be fixed this way that it should receive the sunlight for the whole year. Okay, and it also should face sunrise and sunset, and this way you are told to observe the position of the shadow of the stick where falls always. Okay, and you are told, and always you have to mark on the wall whether the when that shadow of the stick get changed. Okay, and then after you are told also to uh, the position when it gets changed, measure the distance. Okay, how much distance that stick has changed its place. Okay, and this way you are also told to observe the place of sunrise and sunset on the horizon also. Horizon means what? Horizon means that is skyline. Okay, horizon means skyline. Okay, it is the end of the sky. In the, okay, if you see in the sky, when you see the end, okay, that is the horizon. That is the horizon. So in the horizon also you are told to observe the sunrise and sunset time. Sunrise and sunset time. Okay, so all of you observe this for the whole year. In your home also you can do that activity. Okay, and one more thing is given here for you, that is study the duration of daytime and night time on the basis of observation from the table from the month of September. Okay, you are also told means this activity is for the after the September. And this here in this lesson question answers are not given because it is only one part is given here. Part second we are going in part that in part that part we are going to see in detail about the how seasons occur. Okay, and in it we are told to make once again right observations related to daytime and night time. Okay, in the month of September, and you are also told to write the direction of the shadow. Okay, in the month of September, where does it fall? Whose shadow? That is you have the stick you have that stick, no, here where it is you have, which you have fixed on the ground. Okay, that sticks shadow, where does it fall? You also are told to observe it. Okay, and on which day was the duration of the day and the night the same, also you are told. Okay, on which day the day and night time is same. Okay, means 12 hours daytime is there and night time is there, which is the day you are also told to write that also. Okay, all of you do this activity in the month of September. Okay, we'll stop here. This complete lesson is completed. All of you uh, can observe this all the things given here, experiments all the given here, you can also make that. Okay, thank you.